Hello, hello, it's Shalyn. Hope your day is off to a great start. I'm jumping on to answer a few questions that I actually have received, and I love the questions because they're very fair. And I already had presence of mind to really do more videos talking about what I am, what I am now, who I've become. And so, quickly here, I wanted to just give the first couple of sentences of what is a trauma informed coach. Because a lot of times people are thrown off by that particular title because it really doesn't lend to every day of how we actually talk. I get it, I understand. But the premise behind being a trauma informed coach is yes, I am sitting down talking with someone that has been through a traumatic event. But trauma and the definition of that is really sacred to the individual. So, trauma could be defined as the response that you feel after having a car accident, or it could be possibly something to a higher degree where something physically has been done, and even something emotionally has been done. But trauma can also take the form of the blockages that you feel in your own life, where, for example, some of the things that I personally have dealt with is the words and the things that have been said to me has caused trauma in my life, and I felt paralyzed in so many areas. And then the way in which the approach of being a trauma informed coach really holds the position in somebody's life. We think of the difference between therapy and coaching is very clear because a therapist is going to look at where you are right now and try to heal all of the things that have happened to get you to that point. And a trauma informed coach, or as a coach, as it were, is going to look at where you are right now and how do you move forward to move past that, embracing it, right? But move past it so that you can move on to living life like more maybe fulfilling or in a way in which you would like to move forward. So I don't come to any session with the answers. That's not my position because I'm not a mentor and I'm not a consultant. So I wanted to just give you a little bit of that to answer a few questions. And then the next video, I will talk about what does it mean to be an ACC candidate. So reach out if you have any more questions and I will continue on with these little snippets. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye for now.